one daddy said that you doggies are not here. Come back now. And that's the end of the story.
Oh, but Tanner wants more story. Tanner wants to listen to more story. Can you read more? Can you read some more?
Oh, I only have one page and that book about dogs.
Well, then make up more stories.
I know how to read now.
What?
I know how to read now.
I know that. That's why I want you to read him a story. Can you read me more stories?
It says this book is from Santa Claus.
That book is from Santa Claus?
Yeah, from a long time ago.
What's the story about?
A dog.
What's the dog? Oh, okay. Well, what's the story about?
It's about dogs and monsters.
Dog and a monster?
Dogs and monsters.
Okay, then tell me about it.
One dog and one other dog, and their names
What are their names?
Petty and Cody.
Petty and Cody?
Yeah.
The names of the dogs?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's wrong with Cody and Petty?
They were reading a book about monsters.
Okay, and then what happened?
They said that they were playing together unless they don't get hurt by monsters. And the daddy and mommy got scared because they were afraid they'd get hurt from monsters.
Oh.
And that's the end of the story.
Oh, what a good story. Is that a good story?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I have another story right here.
You have another story right there?
It's about